Are you tired of the daily grind of a 9-to-5 job? Do you dream of achieving financial freedom and living life on your own terms? If you answered yes, then keep watching because in this video, I'm going to share with you a precise, month-by-month, one-year plan to escape the 9-to-5 and achieve financial freedom. Step 1. Month 1. Set clear goals and assess your financial situation. In the first month, your focus should be on laying a solid foundation. Start by defining your one-year financial goals. Be specific. How much money do you want to save? What kind of side hustle do you want to start? Write these goals down and set deadlines. Simultaneously, assess your current financial situation. Create a detailed budget using apps like Mint or an app to track your income and expenses. Identify areas where you can cut costs, such as reducing dining out, canceling unused subscriptions, and limiting impulse purchases. Step 2. Month 2. Build an emergency fund. In the second month, focus on building an emergency fund. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Open a high-yield savings account if you don't have one and start automatic transfers from your checking to your savings account. Find ways to save an extra $100 to $200 per week by selling unused items, taking on small side gigs, or cutting additional expenses. By the end of the month, ensure you've saved at least 1 month's worth of expenses. Step 3. Month 3. Invest in self-education. Month 3 is dedicated to self-education. Identify key areas for learning, such as personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship. Purchase or borrow books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki and The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Enroll in online courses on websites like Coursera, Udemy, or Khan Academy. Dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to learning and applying new knowledge. Step 4. Month 4. Develop a side hustle idea. In month 4, it's time to develop your side hustle idea. Here's how. Brainstorm potential ideas. Make a list of your skills, interests, and passions. Consider what problems you can solve for others. Look for gaps in the market where you can offer unique value. Research each idea. Use Google Trends to see if there's growing interest in your idea. Check forums, social media, and niche communities to understand the needs and pain points of potential customers. Identify successful examples of your idea and study their business models. Choose a viable idea. Evaluate each idea based on profitability, market demand, and your personal interest. Consider the startup costs and time required to launch each idea. Select the idea that aligns best with your goals and resources. Outline a business plan. Define your target audience and their specific needs. Develop a marketing strategy focusing on where your audience spends time online. Set clear revenue goals and milestones for the next 6 to 12 months. For example, one viable side hustle could be starting a freelance digital marketing service. Many small businesses need help with their online presence and marketing strategies, but can't afford large agencies. By offering specialized services like social media management, content creation, or SEO optimization, you can tap into a growing market. With dedication, it's possible to earn a substantial income, potentially surpassing your current salary within a year. Step 5. Months 5 to 6. Launch your side hustle. During months 5 and 6, launch your side hustle. Follow these steps. Set up the necessary infrastructure. Create a professional website using platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace. Set up social media profiles on platforms where your target audience is active, e.g., Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook. Register a business name and obtain any necessary licenses or permits. Start creating content or products. Develop a portfolio if you're freelancing. Create initial inventory if you're selling products. Produce valuable content to attract and engage your audience, e.g., blog posts, videos, podcasts. Develop a marketing plan. Focus on low-cost strategies like social media marketing, content marketing, and networking. Join relevant online communities and participate actively to build your reputation and attract clients. Use email marketing to nurture leads and convert them into customers. Launch and promote. Launch your side hustle with a small but focused campaign. Offer special promotions or discounts to attract your first customers. Leverage your network to spread the word and get initial traction. Monitor and adjust. Track your side hustle's performance using analytics tools, e.g., Google Analytics, social media insights. Gather feedback from customers and make necessary adjustments to improve your offerings. Set specific goals for growth, such as making your first $500 by the end of month 6. Step 6, month 7, network and build connections. Networking is crucial for success. In month 7, join professional groups and online communities related to your side hustle. Attend industry events, webinars, and meetups, and connect with like-minded individuals. Reach out to potential mentors and peers, and leverage LinkedIn to connect with professionals in your field. Building a strong network can open doors to new opportunities, provide valuable advice, and offer support as you transition out of your 9-to-5 job. Step 7, month 8, reduce debt. Debt can be a significant barrier to financial freedom. In month 8, create a plan to pay off any outstanding debts as quickly as possible. List all your debts, including interest rates and minimum payments, and focus on paying off high-interest debts first, the avalanche method, or the smallest debts first, the snowball method. Allocate any extra income from your side hustle towards debt repayment, and set up automatic payments to avoid missing due dates and incurring late fees. Step 8, month 9, invest wisely. Investing is key to achieving financial freedom. In month 9, start by contributing to retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. Research other investment options such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Begin with small, regular investments using dollar cost averaging to mitigate market volatility. Diversify your portfolio by aiming for a mix of different asset classes to spread risk. Step 9, month 10, optimize your income. In month 10, look for ways to optimize and increase your income. Review your current job situation and prepare to ask for a raise by documenting your achievements and contributions. Research the market rate for your position and practice your negotiation skills. If feasible, ask for a raise or seek a higher-paying position. Additionally, explore opportunities to expand your side hustle and aim to increase your overall income by at least 10%. Step 10, month 11, create passive income streams. In month 11, focus on creating passive income streams. Identify potential opportunities, such as real estate investments, dividend stocks, or creating digital products like ebooks or online courses. Choose 1 or 2 passive income ideas to pursue and begin the setup process, such as purchasing your first dividend stock or starting to outline your digital product. Implement your passive income strategy and monitor the initial results. Step 11, month 12, plan your exit strategy. As you approach the end of the year, it's time to plan your exit strategy. Evaluate your financial situation and ensure your side hustle and passive income streams can reliably cover your living expenses. Decide on a target date to leave your 9-to-5 job and prepare for the transition. Notify your employer professionally and ensure you have everything in place to support yourself financially. Step 12, embrace the journey. Throughout this journey, embrace the process of achieving financial freedom. Understand that there will be challenges and setbacks along the way, but stay focused on your goals. Celebrate your achievements, learn from your mistakes, and keep pushing forward. Remember, achieving financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if you found it helpful. Together, we can all achieve financial freedom and live life on our own terms.